My name is Stacy Billy. We have gathered rabbit stick makers, and they fashioned it out of a piece of hickory, and this is with the bark still on it. And after they have shaved it down, and they just work on the handle side, and then they just leave this side untouched because you want it to be weighted forward, just so when you sidearm it, it's gonna spin like this. Pila! Pila! Go! Woo! Hari balik! Isa! Whoa! Woo! Ipon na! We're a bit rusty. We need a lot of practice. Join us for the 19th annual Youth Rabbit Stick Hunt, hosted by Choctaw Wildlife and Parks.